Hey guys, we are right here in Lavon, Texas. So, pretty early, but not that bad. So this is the address. Let me go and check what we got going on. Everybody's ready. Ready? We got pump. We got the workers. Let's see. You know, Nelson brother already makes we always get to those cities. You know, doing the best next right thing. That's what we do. Look at it. Look at that. The beauty of Nelson brother is awesome. We do our job. Yeah, just look at that, just offloading, and this one is already empty. Yeah, let's go and see the slab. Look at it. Not much, you know. 100 yards, 10 trucks. They might call for more, but you never know. Yeah, looking pretty cool. The pop guy is doing an awesome job. And this is what we do. We are called to make the city pretty. Anytime, any day, but please not on Sunday. So I'm saying, yeah, we don't do nothing on Sunday. Sometimes it just maybe sometimes we do Saturdays, but it is what it is. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have not subscribed or following this page and you see this video, I'm talking to you right now. Now just go ahead and follow, subscribe for more videos like this. My voice is still down. You know, it's in the morning, but I'm awake already. Setting up my shoot, ready for my turn. Let's go. Let's get this money. Pray that everyone have a blessed week. Stay blessed. God love you. Thank you for watching. Bye.